Kia ora, room 4, no mai, hoki mai, welcome back. This video is all about you making your Tī Rākau, so they're ready for you to use when you're ready to go. I went around my house and I found a few things that you can use to make these Tī Rākau. So first of all, I got toilet rolls. And what I do with the toilet rolls is I put them together like this. And I put the sellotape around the middle. You have to make sure they're one on top of the other first. Put the sellotape around the middle to make the right size Tī Rākau. There it is. My Tī Rākau. That's one way to make your Tī Rākau. Another way is you get the big long roll out of the end of your Glad wrap or your foil, and that's also a Tī Rākau. Third way you could do it is grab some old newspaper and roll it up to make the same size as a Tī Rākau, and then put some sellotape around the middle. So I got this old newspaper, put it on the ground and roll it up like this. Make sure it's nice and tight when you roll it up. Get your sellotape, stick it around the middle. Have to measure them up a bit first, or one's a bit taller than the other, so I'll cut some off. They're nearly the same size. Tī Rākau. Next video is going to show you some Tī Rākau moves. Ka kite!
Ka kite!